This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make oxygen fish, easy method. Increase surface agitation by adding an air stone or power head to boost oxygen exchange. Use live plants to oxygenate naturally during daylight and choose fast-growing species for steady output. Keep stocking levels moderate to prevent oxygen demand spikes and monitor temperature since warmer water holds less oxygen. Maintain filters and avoid overfeeding. Light and plants are a gentle way to keep oxygen levels healthy in your tank. Select fast-growing species like hornwort or water sprite to add steady oxygen during the day. Use a timer to give plants consistent light without encouraging algae overgrowth. Combine plant cover with good surface movement to disperse oxygen throughout the tank. Regular pruning keeps plants vigorous and prevents decay that could lower oxygen overnight for your fish. Small gear adjustments can make a big difference with minimal expense. Pair an appropriately sized air pump and air stone for your tank volume to get reliable bubbles and exchange. Position devices near filter outputs to spread oxygen more evenly instead of creating one strong current. Check and clean equipment routinely so output stays consistent. Watch temperature closely because warmer water holds less oxygen. Small adjustments can prevent nighttime oxygen dips and stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.